For the first time in his career, Levan Saginashvili is being hated by the fans. Let's take a look at this clip.
Left.
Left?
No. Right.
Yes. In December, I think in December.
Because you said like, if Devon won, you would come back on the left. What are your thoughts on that? You will come back on left? No.
Because still playing.
Still playing? Yeah.
I said that because I want to give Devon
More energy.
motivation.
Yeah. All right.
So basically, he said that he has no intentions of competing left-handed. That promise to Devon to have a left arm match with him if he defeats Vitali was just a lie to motivate Devon. Let's take a look at some of the comments going against Levan. Levan is a coward. Nobody believes his injury anymore. He said if Devon beats Vitali, he would face Devon in a left arm match. His left arm doesn't hurt against Devon, but it does against Vitali? Coward. Levan pulling once every 18 months is fucking bullshit. I'm tired of this stalling. Should strip Levan out of the title. He's just ducking Vitali with a fake injury and buying some time. Levan scared Vitali. December is crazy. I like Levan and I do think he's the highest peak we have seen in arm wrestling, but this is why my GOAT is John. 40 years of eliteness and willing to pull everyone. Hermes fought Devon with a few weeks notice. Jerry fought Hermes after being in a fucking car crash a week or two before the match and hospitalized with pneumonia before that. Devon has arthritis. While Levan needs all the stars to align. For his once a year match, he does a 4 to 6 month prep while everyone else dies in the meantime. And now let's discuss Levan's December comment. Obviously the fans cannot wait for that long. The last time Levan competed was against Hermes Gasparini in June last year. There already is a rule about taking away your title after 1 year of inactivity, but I think they should make an exception like Engin did with Devon, where if the arm wrestler announces that he won't be competing within 1 year period, then the title should be immediately taken away from him without waiting for that 1 year time to expire. And that's exactly why the Devon vs Vitali right arm match in April should be for the East vs West world title. And it's not like the fans desperately want to see Levan lose. In fact, most of the fans that are criticizing him, they actually agree that Levan is going to win 6-0 anyways. But still, they want to see him compete. And this fact that it's kind of easy for Levan to defeat everyone, at least easier than rest of the competitors, and yet he chooses not to compete, not to entertain the fans, this doesn't sit well with the community. While Devon at age 50 still competes multiple times a year, both left and right, Levan doesn't do anything, only one match per year. And one more point where fans are going against Levan is related to his injuries. Usually injuries give athletes some sympathy, but with Levan it's the opposite. Levan gets injured without even arm wrestling. There's literally no stress on his joints from the actual super matches. All the times he gets injured is in his home gym. I have not heard Hermes Gasparini get injured in his home, or Vitali Lalitin, or even Devon Larratt. I've heard some fans suggesting that Levan should compete against guys outside of top 5 when he's off cycle. It sounds cool, but Levan wouldn't want to risk his winning streak against someone who's ranked, let's say, 8th in the world. That simply wouldn't happen. And sometimes less is more. If we see the ghost in a movie or the villain of the movie every 5 minutes or so, it would dilute their purpose, their presence. Is that the case with Levan? Would we really enjoy seeing him compete every 3 months? Unfortunately, these are the questions that will remain unanswered because Levan will not compete more than once or twice a year. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.